Hello everyone, this is Jackie and I wanted to go ahead and make a video today back on YouTube, back on social media. And for today, I just wanted to start off with my Facebook page. Just so you know, this is my page, La Vida Bonita, Jackie Velasco. And the reason I call it La Vida Bonita is because this is the beautiful life, being able to work from home and being able to learn new skills and create something different for your family, for yourself. This is what I have discovered here with the power of the internet, which would be business opportunities. And so I wanted to go ahead and talk today about the cash building system Unlimited. Here is my link where you can go ahead and get to that particular site. And I'm using Linktree to have my social media stuff all in one place. Brand new to it, just started with this, so this is really cool. So this is for the Good Life sales funnel. If you want to go ahead and join this opportunity, you can go ahead and click here. It'll take you to my website. My suggestion is, of course, go ahead and watch this video. Go ahead and start with this video first. Really follow the steps, watch the full video. It'll answer all your questions. Then go ahead and watch this one, this video. You'll be able to understand how to join the opportunity. Once you're ready to sign up, go ahead and click here. And of course, my name is Jackie Velasco. My member ID is 4641. And you can also go ahead and text me after you have joined. You'll also be able to be enrolled into one of the Facebook groups, which would be the Mailbox Millionaires group under Eric Johnson, which is the person I signed up under. He's right here. But okay, so right here it explains exactly how this works. You go ahead and get signed up as a phase 1 member for only $50. Then of course you can upgrade to phase 2, and like it mentions here, it's best to start out at level 3 or 4 and eventually move up. But remember, start where you can. The company will go ahead and send your package in the mail with 200 postcards and 200 leads with peel and stick labels. It takes about 5 to 7 business days after you join to get it. And mine were pretty quick as well. So as well, these postcards they'll do all the selling and tallying for you. Just got to mail it out. And of course, you can go ahead and advertise just that way offline, or you can go ahead and also advertise just like I'm doing right now online. Go ahead and share this opportunity with others. And that's the great thing. You want to tell people about this, tell people about how to go ahead and, learn new skills and market something to make an income from home. And it's really great because it gives you that flexibility to earn an income from home and also do it for yourself and your family, because that's one of the reasons I'm doing it, to go ahead and get started with something and show them there's more than just having a job. So I love internet marketing. I love affiliate marketing. And as you can see here, you can get started for as low as $50 to up to $5,000, which would be considered low to a high ticket program, that is awesome. And as well, every time a member makes a sale, you can earn a commission. So let's just say you make $2,500, you'll get paid $1,750. Your sponsor receives $500, and the company makes $250. So like it says here, you will make 10 times more money from team sales as well. Imagine receiving $500 to $2,000 per day, all because of your team. So it starts here, level 1 at $100. And of course, that's what your commission would be, 70%, which would be $70 of 100. The sponsor would get 20%, which would be $20. And the company JD Marketing would get $10. So that's pretty cool. As you see, it goes to level 1 through level 8. Starts at 100, 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,500 to the $5,000 level. So that's pretty cool. As well, your entire team will receive 200 postcards every time they join, or when they join. And as well, let's just say you have 20 people that signed up from your postcard, then those 20 people will receive 200 postcards each. So that's pretty cool. That's really amazing as well. So imagine 200 postcards by 20 people equals 4,000 postcards that will be going out in the mail that week. So that's pretty awesome. So this is really cool. I like this program. It's like you see here, it's 100% legit and a legal program. No products to sell or ship. As well, you can see here testimonials here on my page. But go ahead and, take your time, do your research, and that's Eric right there. That's the one that I signed up under. And as well, you can get this website as well if you join under my team, and you get to have access to him as well, which is pretty cool. So if you want to go ahead and sign up with this opportunity, go ahead and do so. But you can also go ahead and, if you have any questions, message me, connect with me on Facebook. So I'm just a mother who's out here and wanting to make a difference, and also wanting to do better in life, and also wanting to have that time freedom to be able to enjoy life, enjoy doing other things that God has put in my heart. So I know that this kind of opportunity, it's good for anyone who wants that freedom, who wants to find that purpose in life. This is more than just a business opportunity. It has helped me in so many ways to become a better person. And as well, like I mentioned, this is Jackie, and this is my Facebook page, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Remember, you can connect with me on Facebook, connect with me on TikTok. I'm just starting that out, so that's pretty cool. I tried it before, but I had to go ahead and restart again with my TikTok. But I put that link on there. So there's more to come from me, and I just want to say that I hope everyone's having a great, productive day. I hope everyone has a great day today. It is Tuesday, August 15th, and just want to say that I wish everyone nothing but, positive, great thoughts, and keep pushing for what you want in life. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jackie, and I hope you all have a great day.